We all had this problem. You stand in front of the drink section and you just don't know what to pick. If only there was something that decides it for you. Like your race. So what if we analyze the customer's race and give them a corresponding drink? For that I looked at a heat map that shows what ethnicity is most dominant in what region. For example, most Eastern Asians live in China. Since China has the biggest population in East Asia, it would be statistically most likely that a random selected Asian person is from China. I can't read that without a script. God, that is a complicated sentence. From there on, I looked up what the most consumed drink in that country is, according to one Google search, and assigned that drink to that country. So statistically it should be the most accurate drink when all the data you have from the person is their ethnicity. From here it's super simple. First, my Raspberry Pi takes an image and sends it to the web server on my PC. There it takes the picture and runs it through a simple face detection software that can also assume someone's ethnicity.
Here's what you would look like if you were black or Chinese.
Ethnicity, god I hate it. It sends the results back to the Raspberry Pi that triggers one of the corresponding pumps that also don't fit into my construction at all. Oh yeah, my little construction. I built it out of scrap wood that I found laying on the side of the road. That is either full of bugs or used to build in someone's house. By the way, if you like my videos and you want to see more of it, there's some really helpful links down in the description. Alright, I'll just need to make the drinks and hook that all up to the robot. At this point, I should probably say that the way I assigned the drinks to the ethnic groups was bad. Please do not think this is acceptable to harshly group people like that. I was just lazy and I'm doing this video simply because I think it's funny that a machine is taking a decision like that and handles it on its own. Sometimes even being factually wrong. More on that later. Alright, now I'm gonna try the machine. Give me a drink. Oh my fucking god, it is white! So, what drink would you get? White people get soy milk because I thought it's funny, soy boy, da la la. It smells so bad because I had gamer subs before the inside of that. Asian people get green tea. Test number 1, Asian woman. Do you not see any Asian person here? Hello? Oh, yeah, Asian. See? Middle Eastern people get hot cocoa. Oh, yeah, no, he's not black. This is really embarrassing me. Yeah, no, he's not black. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. That was Latino. Oh, now it's working. Shit, now I thought it was white and now it, Indian people get lassi. Come on. Oh, yeah, Indian. He gets that Indian juice? No. It works right. See? Latino people get water because I couldn't find the lemonade I was looking for. No fucking milk. He's not. Well, I mean, I'm not the one to decide. No, not like, no. And black people get hibiscus tea. If any of these drinks apply to you, let me know, and if not, let me know what drinks would be better. That concludes experiment. Accuracy, probably a 3 out of 10. Right. I'm gonna have to clean all this up, oh no. Please help me hit 200 subscribers, oh my god!